Hi everybody, Jerry here from Hobby Wholesale. Thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to talk to you about the world of Spektrum radios. Spektrum is a brand owned by Horizon Hobby. It's one of the brands that we do carry the most, and they do offer a wide line of transmitters, receivers, and servos and things like that. They have a bunch of different products. The one I'm going to talk to you most specifically about today is the NX6, which is one of their newest offerings. We're going to focus on this particular session talking about the aircraft radios. So options would include things like this DXS, which is the entry level and the radio that comes with some of their ready-to-fly planes. Things like the DX6E, even something as fancy as the IX12 that has a touchscreen on it and some additional features in that regard. Most of the transmitters are available as a transmitter-receiver combo or as a transmitter only. So you do have that option depending on the radio that you're looking at and what your needs are. All of the Spektrum radios do bind with all of the DSMR receivers offered by Spektrum. So here's a few options here. We've got a 6-channel, a 4-channel, we've got a fancier 9-channel, little satellites. So for aircraft, you've got a satellite receiver that can extend the range or the availability of your receiver to the signal as the vehicle moves and changes position. But again, as I was talking about, the NX6, this is one of the newest offerings from Spektrum as far as the aircraft radios go. Fully computerized, and one of the neat, I guess, selling features that makes this new radio kind of a revolution over some of the previous stuff. This line of NX radios, available in a 6, 8, or 10-channel variety, come with digital gimbals, as opposed to the analog style that had the potentiometers in previous models. These ones are Wi-Fi enabled to allow you to download firmware and other information. It can be plugged into your PC, which also allows you to transfer information and make adjustments. And these are fully compatible and ready to work with any of your other Spektrum smart technology. So if you have a plane or a helicopter or a drone that is equipped with one of the Avian smart ESCs or some of the Spektrum smart batteries, this will actually take all of that information directly from the vehicle, give you telemetry information on what's going on. So now let's take a quick look at these radio here. So one of the nice things about going digital with a radio like this is the computerized radio features a lot of options, including full customization of all of your different features, dual rates. You can assign switches to different functions as well. In the package, you get your manual, which gives you instructions on what all of those features offer and do. And in this particular case, you get your transmitter or your radio. So as you can see, this is, again, an aircraft radio. It's got your sticks for control. It also has a whole series of switches that can be assigned different functions depending on what your needs are and how complex the features are of the particular vehicle that you're flying. One of the nice things about this particular vehicle is that or this transmitter, pardon me, is that it includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So that can be recharged using your computer as well. In here, they also give you the cable that allows you to charge and to plug it into your computer for all of the different functions. So again, if you are looking to purchase a new plane or need a new radio, certainly come and see us. These are designed to work with any of the Horizon Hobby bind and fly planes, drones, helicopters. So those are vehicles that come with a receiver already installed, and all you need is this. The great thing about these is they also offer up to 250 model memory, so you can keep several different vehicles programmed inside this particular radio. And there's actually an underlying feature where they've programmed all of the settings for all of the vehicles that they offer. So all of the planes, drones, and helicopters, you can type in the name and it'll actually populate all of those settings for you specifically in the profile that you've got selected, so you don't have to program it all yourself. Again, come and see us. Check this out on the website if you'd like. If you're enjoying what you see, like or subscribe, and we'll continue to bring you videos as much as possible. Thanks very much.